to apply coupons on AliExpress app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open AliExpress app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Cart at the bottom. After you click on Cart at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, select the product you want to buy and press on Checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen, here you will find this kind of screen. Scroll down in here and you will find Promo Codes option. Simply click on Promo Codes. After you click on it, simply add your code, which is also your coupon code, and then press on Apply. After you press on Apply, the code will be applied, and at the bottom you can press on Place Order and place your order. This is how to apply coupons on AliExpress app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.